Hi, I'm Dr. Mini Rao. Now, I'm a Mananare Marthuvar. You can call me a psychologist, counselor, friend, therapist. Today, I'm here to talk about coronavirus. Okay, இப்போ coronavirusங்கிறது ஒரு ரொம்ப unpredictable disease இருக்கு. ஒண்ணுமே information நம்மளுக்கு ப்ராப்பராக தெரிய மாட்டேங்குது அதை பற்றி. Here today, I am going to talk to you about how you can handle it, in terms of psychologically. Okay, first of all, physically, you have to look after yourself in terms of precautions. You have to take all the precautionary measures. Hand sanitizers use பண்ணது, social distancing practice பண்ணது, masks போட்டுக்கிறது to avoid going to crowded places, and most of all staying at home as much as possible. Unless you have to go out, please don't go out. இதெல்லாம் வந்து precautions that I'm talking about. Psychologically, what you can do is first thing you should do, because this will make you stay at home, you will be terribly bored, you won't know what to do with your time. Have a routine. Get up at a proper time. Have your meals at a proper time. Have regular, proper, healthy meals. ஒரு routine ஒன்று set up பண்ணிட்டீங்கன்னா it will make life much easier for you day by day. Second thing is exercise. Exercise is very, very important. ஒரு just 25 to 35 minutes a day. Just anything that you want. Spot jogging, இல்லாக்க வந்து lunges or lifting weights, anything. You can even dance to your favorite music. Because exercise பண்ணாக்க endorphins ஒரு chemical இருக்கு brainல. That gets released. When that gets released, you get a lot of positive energy. Okay, so it makes you feel very energetic. And exercise is something which is very underrated. Okay, so exercising, it's a must every day. It will help you boost your immune system as well. இன்னொன்று என்னன்னாக்க taking multivitamin supplements. Take vitamin C எடுத்துக்கோங்களேன் every day. Vitamin D is exposure to the sun. At least 15 minutes of sun is required every day. So you can do that. That is one of the things you can do. இப்போ உங்களுக்கு போர் அடிச்சிட்டுனா why don't you try out new cooking recipes? It's something different இல்லையா? இப்போ நீங்கள் if you are going to work எல்லாம் you won't have the time to do all this. Think of this as a long vacation. So you can do all the things that you couldn't do before when you were busy with work. So try new recipes. You can put it on social media. You can get a lot of appreciation. That's also a wonderful thing. Another thing you can do is reading. Catch up on reading. உங்களுக்கு டைம் முன்னாடி டைமே இருந்தது கிடையாது. இவ்வளோ டைம் இருக்கிறதால catch up on all the novels that you wanted to read before. That's a wonderful way of taking you to another world. ஒரு புக்கை படிக்காமச்சா it takes you away from the reality and from this unpredictable COVID-19. Okay, that is another way of doing things to take your mind off this disease. Another thing you can try a new hobby, try gardening, try stitching. This is the time for you to do all that. Okay, so the other another way to do this is to ஒவ்வொரு ரூமாக நீங்கள் வந்து declutter பண்ணலாம், which you haven't had the time to do before. Go and clean out all your cupboards, set up all your clothes in a particular way. All that you wanted to do which you didn't have time for, you can do. Then you can spend a lot of time with your children. The most important time for you to spend time with the kids is now. Quality time with them. Board games you can play with them. Play video games with them. Chat with them. The quality time with your children, you'll never get this time back. The other thing is bond with your parents. I think the coronavirus has come at a time where people have completely lost contact with reality and humanity. It's all social media, virtual. This is the time for you to be in contact with the person. Bond with your in-laws, with your relatives. It's a wonderful way of making you feel psychologically secure. Okay? What you can also do is meditate. Meditation வேற ஒன்றும் இல்லை. It's very highly underrated. All you have to do is for 5 seconds and exhale for 10 seconds. Okay, இது வந்து ஒரு ராத்திரி தூங்க போறதுக்கு முன்னாடி ஒரு 10-15 minutes பண்ணா கூட போதும். It will extremely useful because it lowers your blood pressure, it reduces your anger, it has a lot of concentrate on your breathing technique. அவ்வளவுதான். Inhale for 5 seconds, 10 seconds. Okay, that is one of the things you can do, meditation. So basically உங்களுக்கு என்னெல்லாம் இந்த பர்டிகுலர் டிசீஸால் வர பிரச்சனைகள் என்னன்னாக்க ஒன்று வந்து xenophobia சொல்லுவாங்க. That is fear of the unknown. உங்களுக்கு நெக்ஸ்ட் டே இது எப்படி வருது, droplets ஆல வருதா in the air, or is it by contact, or is it by touching surfaces? we don't know anything about the disease. So fear of the unknown நிறைய பேருக்கு இருக்கு, called xenophobia. இன்னொன்று வந்து anxiety as usual. ஐயோ எனக்கு அது what will happen to my kids, அந்த anxiety எப்போதுமே இருக்கு. Where you are so scared, your hands start tremors வரும் கையில், உங்கள் ஹார்ட் பீட் வந்து ரேப்பிடாக, உங்கள் ஹார்ட் ரொம்ப ரேப்பிடாக பீட் ஆகும். So many different things you can get. Depression. Lot of people are getting depression because of this COVID-19, staying at home. Depression is nothing but symptoms are lack of appetite, sleep disturbances இருக்கும், அப்புறம் you won't be able to concentrate, attention இருக்காது, then you will feel very helpless, hopeless, frustrated with life, sometimes suicidal thoughts கூட வரலாம். Okay, so that is basically depression. So இதெல்லாம் cope பண்ணதுக்கு you need a support system. Be in touch with people, constantly call your relatives, have these Zoom calls where you can involve all your relatives once a week, be in touch with them. This is the best time for you to connect with friends and family. Otherwise it's always about social media, being on these platforms and not really having that connection with people. So இது ஒரு great opportunity நான் நினைக்கிறேன் for you to come back to the real world and forget the virtual world. These are my ways of dealing with the COVID-19 when I'm at home. What I tend to do as a therapist, நான் என்ன பண்றேன்னாக்க, instead of doing face-to-face sessions, நான் phone sessions பண்றேன், WhatsApp sessions பண்றேன், which is very convenient also. ஏன்னா அந்த anonymity இருக்கு. They don't get to see my face, I don't get to see their face. So that is also one thing I can do, and I recommend people to come forward when they have any kind of issue to forget the stigma that problem இருக்குன்னு அதை மறந்துட்டு ஒரு ஃபோன் பண்ணிட்டு talk to me about anything that you want. I will not be judging you. So please make that call if you feel sad, depressed, traumatized, anxious. If you get panic attack, please do call. That is my advice to you. And this is Dr. Mini Rao. Thanks.